to make a killing to the lips of a funny son. The Lord police are fully aware of the genocide of the dark side, so they don't care. They want to win up. Put a crew on, go bring it back and check. Don't even try to test this. We're the gentleman, king of the doorbell. Hustle up and you're the target. Pimps up, whoa, 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 put up.
Hold it.
What on?
Hold it.
My voice just wet.
Yeah, you know what, the front dry. We need some whiskey. Or some scotch or something.
Wait. What on?
I want me cake.
It's not that, you know, because it's a track down from Long. I'm trying to memorise the lyrics, but I can't remember the lyrics.
Engineer.
What whiskey do you want?
Very, got it.
Box number 2. Can you turn it up
Let's
slightly?
try again.
Box 2, turn it up slightly.
Is this Mike Lando?
Huh?
Let me check. Is this Mike Lando?